Today we'll be talking about electromagnetic interference. What is EMI? EMI stands for electromagnetic interference. Also known as RFI, or radio frequency interference, it is an electromagnetic emission given off from electrical equipment. All electronics emit some level of electrical noise, from a car's ignition system to cell towers and smartphones. When multiple pieces of electronic equipment are working in the same area, they can pick up these emissions from each other and experience interference. For sensitive electronic equipment, even the slightest noise interference can cause serious performance issues or malfunctions. This is especially important in the medical field, where life-saving equipment relies on precise, highly accurate readings and responses. Because of this, certain electrical products must operate under a specific level of EMI based on government standards. We can help improve and reduce EMI noise levels coming from our display products. By request, we can test and measure the EMI using a spectrum analyzer with specialized near-field probes that are able to detect very low levels of EMI. We do our best to help meet the target range for lower EMI and meet any special requirements. We apply EMI shielding in the form of polymer coating to help reduce the emissions. We often take precautionary measures to reduce EMI on all of our capacitive touchscreens by adding coating over the FPC cables. Keep in mind that we are only able to reduce the amount of noise generated, but it cannot be stopped completely. Next, we'll show you a demonstration of how we measure EMI emissions on our 5-inch TFT display. As you can see on the spectrum analyzer, we'll be using 133 MHz as a target frequency to compare while measuring our EMI output. The smallest magnetic probe will be used to measure the EMI noise levels of a display with a shielded cable compared to the same display with an unshielded cable. We'll position the measuring point near the highest level of noise found to be emitted by the display. In this case, it's found on the front side between the component area and the 40-pin connector. Measurements are taken at the same points between the standard unshielded display and the customized display with EMI shielding in order to compare the noise levels. As you can see, a noise level reduction is easily recognized here on the EMI shielded FPC cable. EMI is an important aspect to consider when designing electronic components. We can help by measuring EMI noise levels and protecting with EMI shielding wherever possible. Give this video a like if you learned something new about EMI, and remember to subscribe for more.